In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend two images in Canva, whether you're creating a captivating slideshow, setting up a new social media post, or designing a personal project. Blending images can add a sophisticated touch. Let's get started by heading over to Canva. Open up your web browser and type in the URL canva.com. Once there, you might need to log in if you haven't already. You'll see the Login button in the top right corner. Click on that. If you've used Canva before, things should be fairly smooth. Next, select your Google account to continue. Just follow any on-screen prompts that appear, and soon you'll be on the main dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open your project. Choose the design you want to work on from your list of projects, or feel free to create something new. Moving into the fun part, you'll want to click on the image that you want to start blending. It might take a moment to find just the right photo, so take your time. Once you've got your image selected, look over to the side panel and locate the app's icon. Go ahead and click there, then search for Image Blender in the search bar. Once you've found it, click on Image Blender, and you'll be prompted to install the app if it's your first time using it. After that, select the Image Blender app to start working on your photo blend. The app offers 3 blending modes: linear, radial, and brush. For today, we'll focus on using the linear option, so click on that. Now you'll see guidelines on your image. This is where blending really kicks into gear. Adjust the guideline by clicking and dragging it to your preferred location across the image. Don't rush this step, it's where you can experiment and see what looks best. Make your adjustments carefully, considering the direction and extent of the blur you want to apply. Continue to finesse the guideline until your images blend seamlessly in the way you envisioned. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to save your work. Locate the Save option and click on a button to preserve your masterpiece. And there you have it. Your images are blended seamlessly, creating a cohesive and professional-looking design. You can now see the results of your creative efforts in your Canva project. Congratulations on completing your image blend. Whether it's a subtle overlay or a dramatic fusion, you've mastered a new skill in Canva that can elevate all your future designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.